Hi, it's Rick from Dogtooth. This is the Daily Dog. It's been quite a big gap. I think the last one I did was before Christmas, and we've just been quite busy, to be honest. And the YouTube stuff has ended up being a bit of on the back foot. So anyway, I thought I'd just show some stickers that I'm packing today. So we're doing some Tax and Go. So if you follow our social media stuff, we did a competition, and Tax and Go, they won the competition. This is another customer that's had a reorder, and we're also doing some bits for the Leeds Digital Festival, and hoping to help those guys when they get started next week. The studio is a complete and utter tip, because that's what happens when we're busy. Everything is sort of upside down, and you might just get a quick glimpse of something there that is one of my customers' projects. So basically, I thought I'd just do a quick, and it's turning out to be longer than I expected, but quick packing of the boxes and just show you what we put in it. So each box, so depending on the size of the order, we have these small ones. So if it's any bigger than that, so like 500, we have slightly bigger cardboard boxes which fold into nice little boxes. I'll show you one that's already done, very Blue Peter-esque there. And we also put in with it, we put our own stickers, so that's a freebie. We have some other little stickers which are love your stickers, and sort of like asking you to tweet us or when you get your stickers. And do you remember that little craze that went around? All the kids were putting them elastic bands together. I forget what they call them now, something bands, but anyway, I've stole my daughter's ones of those, so we use them for our thing. And then if you're lucky, you also get a packet of sweets. It's a bit of a random, but if you're lucky, sometimes you get a packet of sweets. And then our sort of welcome card with some special tips on there on how you can use your social media, how you can use your stickers in social media, etc. And then a label just to hold it together for the postman. So that's the simple packing of the boxes. I'm going to do it now, see if I can actually do it on fast speed, and then I'll catch you at the end. All right, thank you. I was going to show you everything packed up as you saw it on the little clip. I'm hoping I can edit this together, but I should have done that by the time you're watching it. However, my wife's been in and picked up the postage, so this is the only one that doesn't actually have an address at the moment, which I'm just waiting for an email. But that's pretty much everything is in there. A bundle full of joy. And then this is another job that just came in this morning, which is 300 dent stickers, and then there's 300 more just currently cutting at the moment on the cutter, which I can point at it there. So we're trying to get those out. I was trying to get them out today, but to be quite honest, miracles would be something that would happen to do that, because there are some issues with the printer, and I've got lots of other things to do today. So Jamie and James are out on a job today, which means that it's basically me again on my lonesome, which is another reason why I'm probably doing this video as opposed to doing it when everyone stood around. But yeah, we're on site this week. We're 4 days on site this week, so we're very busy at the moment. So yeah, that's it, and just doing a bit of research for some design research for the Gin Festival in Malton, which I should have been getting on with today, but a sticker order came in, so I've not done that. Sorry, James. But I'll be doing it tonight, mate. Honest. All right. Goodbye from the Daily Dog.